Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Fayetteville AR, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are tackling a big decision for a lot of homeowners around Northwest Arkansas. Should you build your next deck with wood or with composite decking? If you are looking out at a tired old porch or an empty backyard and wondering what will actually last, this episode is for you. Let's start with wood decks, because that's what many homes already have. Pressure-treated wood is usually the most affordable way to build a deck. It gives you that natural wood look and a solid feel underfoot. The trade-off is maintenance. With wood, you are committing to cleaning, staining, or sealing every so often to protect against sun, rain, and everyday wear. If that upkeep slips, boards can crack, splinter, and start to twist. Now let's talk about composite decking. Composite boards are made from a mix of materials designed to hold up better to moisture and sun without the same level of upkeep. Brands like Trex are popular because they resist fading and do not need to be stained or sealed every couple of years. You still need to wash them now and then, but you are not sanding splinters or worrying about peeling stain. That can make a big difference if you want to enjoy your deck more and maintain it less. In Fayetteville, Springdale, Rogers, and the surrounding areas, weather can be tough on outdoor structures. We see strong sun, heavy rain, and wide temperature swings. Wood can handle this, but it needs help in the form of regular maintenance. Composite decking tends to stay more stable through these changes, with fewer issues from moisture or insects. When you spread the cost over 10 or 15 years, many homeowners find composite becomes more competitive because they are not paying for as much stain, sealer, or repairs. So how do you decide which is right for you? Think about three things: your budget, your tolerance for maintenance, and how long you plan to stay in the home. If you need the lowest upfront cost and are comfortable putting in some work every few years, wood may still be a good fit. If you want a deck that requires less ongoing attention and you plan to be in the home long-term, composite starts to make more sense. It is also a strong choice if you are planning extras like an outdoor kitchen, a covered deck, or a space that you will use heavily with friends and family. Your material choice also matters if you are thinking about pairing a deck with a patio or building under the deck for storage or a seating area. A composite surface over a well-built frame can work really well with features like dry space systems, where keeping water off the lower area is important. Wood can still be used in these setups, but again, you will want to stay on top of sealing and inspection to keep it performing well. If you are unsure which way to go, you do not have to figure it out alone. You can reach our team at 479-396-3705 or visit toughdeckbuildersfayettevillear.com to learn more about our deck construction services and talk through your options. We look at your yard, your goals, and your budget and help you understand how each choice will behave over time. As you plan your next project, remember, the right deck material is the one that fits your home, your climate, and how you actually live. Wood and composite both have a place, but they perform differently over the years. Taking a little time now to choose well will help you enjoy a solid, comfortable outdoor space instead of fighting constant repairs. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Fayetteville AR.